Hey guys, back at the restore. Grant's putting together this CEC made thing with 5 blades. I thought it was, oh, because it is a design house. It's got the design house tag there. What year does it say? Can't be 74. It's not that old. But yeah, I've never seen the design house version with 5 blades before, so that's interesting. Well, you know you're missing a screw over here, right?
Well, I haven't got any of the screws in.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. Universal's still here. Somebody in a video is asking me how much. It's 30. Little Craft Made's still here. Put this white Hunter out today.
But then we do have an air compressor that's not real big and cumbersome.
Wonder what they're doing. These 2 Hunters went out last week, but I moved them over here. This Hampton Bay went out today, and Ken's still here, that's still here. We have 3 of these crests, the other 2 are in back. This is still here, still here, still here, still here. That went out today, still here. Went out today, and we have 1 of these left besides the display. Still here, still here. Still here. Should move that to somewhere it can be better seen. I think I'll do that after the video. Still here, went out today. Went out today. Still here. No. Still here, went out today, still here, still here.
There are real drills in all these.
Not much going on in back. I fixed and sold the Spiegel thing. These 2 Hunters, ready to go out. Real nice ones with Air Max motor. Lighted housing thing. And pile of stuff here, ready to go out. There's fans, there's fans. Lots of fans. You see everything back here is being used today. In fact, everything was here. Everything was on when I came in today except the remote fans. So somebody in back must have turned them on but didn't know where the remotes were. But everything else was on. Okay. This pile's still here. Thanks for watching.